Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing, install, and review on my new VFK Rustic Oak TV stand. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. The full build of it took about 30 minutes. I will say it does come with its own tools, but I did end up using my electric screwdriver just to speed it up just a bit. From what I could tell just by putting it together, that all the pieces were really well made. They had like some weight to them. And one thing that I do want to point out is they do make this in different colors and sizes. I did go with the 55 by 16 by 24. This one will hold up to a 65-inch TV. And here is the finished product. Mine is only holding a 32-inch at the moment. The metal frames gives it a nice and sturdy look on it. The 6 different compartments make it easy to store whatever you like. As you can see in the back, and I'm going to zoom in right here, you're able to run different wires or cables depending on which one you are using. What's cool is that this table can also be used in a bedroom, living room, an office. It doesn't necessarily have to be like a TV cabinet. It can also be served as like a coffee table or even your entryway. This one would work well. So if you're looking for a nice farmhouse style aesthetics, I would highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.